Hi, let me tell you a story of two friends, Soumya and Divyesh, who just got graduated from the mechanical engineering from the same college but don't have a job after it. Sad, right? Soumya decides to search for jobs and relocates to a metro city. After a lot of tries and spending lakhs in consultancies, falling in the trap of frauds, getting negative replies to applied jobs, finally he left with no other option than to join a random company with a low paycheck and lots of workloads. He not only wasted lakhs of money but also valuable 1.5 years of his career. While Divyesh decides to join the postgraduate and diploma courses program by Skyy Institutions right after the college, where he learns 15 plus industrial skills in the domains of CAD, CAM, manufacturing, automobile, electric vehicles, robotics, and gets to work as an intern in several ongoing projects. He not only learns the technical skills but also he learns great communication skills and becomes completely ready to be hired by any core industry. After the course, he got selected in two core companies during the placement drive at Skyy. Not just that, now he has a great profile to be selected for any top university admit with a scholarship for masters. So he has two choices now, either to apply to top universities for masters or join the companies he has been selected for. Yes, you heard that right.